Hello everyone, hope you all are safe. Yes, today we are back with another level of place value and we are ending this concept of place value with this level along with the set of worksheets. Yes, as I have been talking about worksheets in my previous videos on place value, so as per promise, as per our commitment, I am going to discuss worksheets also in this entire video. So please watch full video to know how worksheets have been designed for your help. Before that, a small request, please like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Okay. Coming on to today's activity. Actually, today's work does not involve much activity or much resources. After completing combining tens and ones, we are moving on to targeted place value. Yes, to check how much our child has understood or how much our child is prompt to answer the targeted place value, we have designed this activity. With folded paper, I have written numbers like this, and I'm taking Bengal. I'm using an old Bengal here. Now, today's task is we are not giving any object to count for tens and ones as we were doing in our previous levels. Firstly, how to introduce tens and ones, we used Rajma beans. You can see the tag there at the top and link is shared in the description section. Second, we did identification of tens and ones. In there also we used Rajma beans. And in third level, combining tens and ones, there we used pasta. But today we are not giving any object to count tens and ones. We are just making little innovation to check what our child has understood. So here this task is like putting a bangle on the number, on the digit of which place value I would like to know from my little one. For example, okay, now can you tell me the place value of 2 in this number? Child may say it's 2 tens, or probably child may answer 20. You have to direct the child for both the answers. So, when you are reading, what number you are reading? 21. Okay. So, in 21, what do you think that how many groups of tens are there? Like this, you can direct the child to the correct answer. Right? So, moving on to next. Now, can you tell me the place value of the digit inside the bangle? Okay, how are you going to read this number? 30. Okay, in 30, what is the place value of this 0? 0 once. Probably you will get this answer, right? Another set of numbers is here. Can you tell me the place value of this 6? Okay, read this number. 66. Now, place value of this 6. Direct the child to the correct answer. And next is single number. Here you have to actually check what child is going to answer when the number is single digit. Okay, how will you read this? 5. Okay, how many groups of tens here? No group you can see. So this alone 5, the single 5 means what? 5 ones. Like this you need to direct. So as you can see, the numbers which we have chosen here, purposely we have chosen these 4 numbers. 21, this and then 30, number ending with 0, then 66, both the digits are same, and fourth number single digit number. So set the numbers like this, keep them little challenging, keep them little confusing, and then direct your child towards the correct answer. I have designed a set of 15 worksheets. That set of place value has been covered in 15 worksheets. It will be like this. This is the format in handwritten form, but I will be sharing a typed worksheets with you. First section of each worksheet will work on concept clarity. Then the second section of the worksheet will work on boost the confidence. Boost the confidence. Third section of the worksheet will work on high order thinking skill. So I would prefer if you go for these worksheets, and if you want the set of these worksheets, you can drop your mail address in the comment section and I can get back to you. So we will meet again with another concept for our 5 to 6 years old. Please stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you.